start again. It's a redskin.
Okay, y'all, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. This is how the hair came packaged. I purchased this hair off of Amazon, and this is me showing you my braid pattern. Now, the braid pattern I did was different. The first 2 rows, what I did was did one individual, and then I just connected them, and then I connected them all in the back. And I did this to achieve a more natural look. So I just looped it through the first individual braid that I did. And like I said, it was the first 2 rows. I looped it, the crochet needle right through there. Now, y'all want to make sure that you don't do your braids too tight, because if you do, you're going to have a hard time pulling the hair through. I like this hair. It was very easy to install. However, the strands are very, very thin. So after I looped the hair through, it was just that simple. And you don't want to do this part too tight either, because I did and my head is kind of sore. So that's the look that I come up with. And I tried to leave my edges out a little bit so they wouldn't be pulled back, because if I pull my hair up to take a shower, I noticed that my hair gets pulled. So I'm glad that I took my edges out for this part. And then this is just me showing you guys how I do it a second time. It is super easy, you guys. I should have showed you my braiding pattern, but I accidentally deleted it because I wanted to show y'all how I achieved the braiding pattern, how I got to that point. And I set up her and deleted the footage. So, and then I didn't like that space right there, so that's why I'm putting a lock there. So these are new locks, and I really like them, y'all. I paid $39.99 and I got 6 packs, and I didn't even have to use all 6 packs. I only used 5. So I'm not going to talk through this whole video, but I do hope you guys enjoy it. And please make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know, have y'all tried extra long locks? Did you like them? What was your pros? What was your cons? Leave me a comment down below. y'all, so this is the finished product. This is the hair, and the hair is by ZRQ Company. This is a company on Amazon. I purchased the hair, I think it was $39 for 6 packs, $39 and some change. These are new locks. They got a little bit of a curl to them. Out of the 6 packs, I used 5. So this is what I have left from the 5th pack, and then I have another pack left over. So this is it, and there are 21 strands that come in a pack. And y'all, the hair is so long, like it's super long. Let me show y'all. So it's waist length for me. I'm 5'3", and this is where the hair comes, literally to my waist. The only thing that I don't like about this hair is that the strands are very, very skinny, and the hair is a little bit heavy. So like right now it's fine, but I put the back up like this because I was about to eat, and I do not like hair getting in my way when I eat. But I put it up, the back up in a little bun. I let the rest hang, and it was heavy. So that's the only thing. I got this in the color number 2. I like the hair. That's just the only thing, is that the strands are so skinny. But other than that, this hair was very, very easy to install. Like, I saw how small the loops were. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm about to have a time. Cause look, like it looks almost non-existent, but literally all you have to do is just open it up, and it opens up so easily. You can open it up as big as you want to. I like this hair. It's just those 2 factors, that it's heavy, strands are thin. But other than that, yes, I love it. I would like to try this in another color. I love it. Now, I did try a different pattern. Y'all know, if you've watched my other videos, what I like to do is do my French braids in the back, and then I do the individuals in the front, and then I pull the hair through. These strands are too thin for that, however, so I did try a new method, and with that new method, I like it. I still get that like individual look. See, I still get that individual look. Everything will be linked below in the description box if y'all interested in styling your hair like this. They did send me some hair jewelry. They sent me some hair jewelry, and it just looks like this. I'm not gonna use those, however, but it's lit. I got my hair done for Christmas. This is about to be nice. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Don't leave this channel without showing me some love and hitting that subscribe button. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.